Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good Saturday because it is probably going to be Saturday by the time I get this video up. You guys know I got to work that 9 to 5 and that 9 to 5 runs late on Friday, which is usually why this video is kind of late. But y'all, we got some good stuff going on at Dollar General this weekend. We have some pretty exciting all digital scenarios that I want to share with you guys. But before we get into that, if you are not familiar with how to use a 5 off of 25 coupon, or you are new to couponing in general, you are in the right place. I have a complete couponing 101 series on this channel where we cover all of the fundamentals, all of the basics. I will have a video down linked below for you and on the screen where I will talk about how to use a 5 off of 25 coupon. So do yourself a favor, go watch that video so you can get an understanding of how to maximize these savings, then come back and watch this one. Everything will make a lot more sense. So I have 5 different all digital scenarios to share with you guys, and they are all low out of pocket, under $10. One is $2.95, y'all. Yes, y'all, $2.95. We are going to be balling on a super low budget. But before we get into those deals, please remember to hit that thumbs up button and help me out with this YouTube algorithm. So all digital deal number 1, I am calling my laundry stock up deal. So we can always use deals on some good laundry items. And just to make this deal interesting, we're adding in some trash bags as well. So this deal has 2 all or snuggle products. You guys know we got that great $4 off of 2 digital coupon on the snuggle. So we're going to grab 2 of those products. Those are going to be $8 for both of them, or $4 each because they are on sale this week. Then we have one of the Tide Simply Pods. Y'all already know about the great glitch that is going on those. Those are $2.95, y'all, but we're going to use that $2 off Tide digital coupon. We're going to get one of the little baby Gain fabric softeners for $1. We're going to use that $1 off digital coupon, which works on that, making that free $99. Then we're going to get one of our Gain liquid laundry detergents. Those are also on sale this week for $3.95. So we're going to use our $1 off 1 digital coupon on that. Then we're going to get one of the Snuggle Renews It starter kits. Those babies are $3, but we have our $3 digital, making it free as well. And then the Glad trash bags, of course, you want to make sure that you grab that Beach Breeze scent, or I think there's like a citrus scent as well, but you want to get the ones that are included on that digital coupon for $2 off 1. So our total before our digital coupons is going to be $25.40. We're going to have a total of $18 in coupons because we're going to have the 5 off of 25 store coupon plus all of those other digitals. And y'all, after that $18 in coupons is applied, that's going to leave us just paying $7.40 out of pocket. $7.40, and we have all of this laundry detergent, and we got some trash bags. This is a bomb deal. So now let's get into deal number 2, which is a personal care deal. So in this deal, we're going to get one of the Always pads. These are $4. We have a great $2 digital coupon. We're going to get one of the Tampax for $4 as well. We have another $2 digital on that. We're going to grab 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. Those are $4 each, but we have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon. We're going to get one of the Oral-B double pack toothbrushes. Those are $3, but we got a $2 digital. And then we're going to grab one of the Jergens body wash. Y'all, I am so in love with this Jergens body wash. I actually like this body wash, I think, better than my Olay. And that's saying a lot. I love Olay, but y'all, this Jergens is the bomb. So I definitely will be stocking up and will be grabbing more of this tomorrow. I think I got 3 bottles last weekend. That is not going to be enough. If you are into the way that Jergens cherry almond lotion smells, the original, you will love this body wash. So y'all, we're gonna have $17 in coupons. That's gonna bring our out of pocket to $8 for this deal. Just $8, which is a steal. And another quick note, if Always and Tampax are not your thing, if you don't need those items can be swapped out for the Snuggle and All products. So you can grab 2 of the Snuggle or 2 of the All, whatever you prefer. Grab 2 of those for $8 instead of the feminine care items. Use that $4 off to digital. Your total will still be $8 for this deal. So now let's get into this air freshener deal. If you are a couponer and you don't have a strong stockpile of air fresheners, I don't know what you're doing with your life, especially right now when they are giving us all the air fresheners, all of them. So this is going to be a super bomb deal where you can stock up on your air fresheners. So we're going to get 2 Febreze plugs. These are $10, but we have a $5 off of 2 digital coupon. We're going to get 1 of the Snuggles Renews It starter kits, $3. We're going to use that $3 digital, making that baby free. We're going to grab 6 of the Renews It cones. So you can also get 8 of the Renews It cones if you have both digital coupons. So if you have the $2 off of 6 digital and the $1 off of 2 digital, and your store has 8 cones in stock, you can grab 8 instead of 6. But I'm making the assumption that you only have the $2 off of 6 if you haven't previously downloaded that $1 off of 2. So you can grab 6 or 8 just depending on what coupons that you have. So in this scenario, we're grabbing 6. We're going to use that $2 off of 6 digital coupon. Then I'm going to add in some Dawn because y'all know Dawn is my thing. This is $2.50. This is a 16-ounce bottle. So this is a 16.2-ounce bottle and it's $2.50. We're going to use that $1 off digital. And then I have a Red Tide liquid laundry detergent that is $4.95 and we're going to use that $2 digital coupon. So our total is going to be $26.45. After the cashier presses total, we're going to save $1 on the Renews It cones because they're on sale, buy 3 get 1 free. That's going to bring our total down to $25.45. We're going to have a total of $18 in coupons. After those coupons are applied, our total for all of these items is just going to be $7.45. Yes, y'all, $7.45. All right, y'all, so this deal I am super excited about. Now, this deal will require that your store have some nice inventory, so hopefully you can find some of the Snuggle Renews It starter kits, and it will also require that you still have that that $2 big digital coupon for the metal razors. So if you have held on to that big metal coupon, it is no longer available for new downloads, but a lot of us, I know I still have it on most of my accounts. You can grab this pack of black metal razors that are $2. Use that $2 digital. Those are free. Then you're also going to get those free Snuggle Renews It once again. You're going to grab the Oral-B double pack. You're going to use that $2 digital on that, making that $1. You're going to get 2 of those baby head and shoulders. Y'all know this is one of my favorite filler items to grab. Those are $2 a piece, but we have a $3 off 2 digital coupon that makes those just 50 cents each. Then you're going to grab 1 of the Always Discreet for $3. Then you're going to use that $2 off digital on that. You're going to get 1 of the Tide Simply Pods, $2.95, $2 digital. 2 of those All or Snuggle products for $8. Your total is going to be $25.95 before you enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, you should have a total of $23 in coupons applied. So that's your 5 off of 25 store coupon plus all of those digitals that we have listed. Y'all, we're just going to pay $2.95 for this deal. Under $3, you're going to grab all of these items, and these are some good items, y'all. So I'm super excited about this deal, and I hope you guys are too. So now we're in the home stretch. This is deal number 5. I noticed that most of my stores do have paper products. They always have the Charmin Essentials. So I chose the Charmin Essentials as the paper product to add into today's deals for that reason. So the Charmin Essentials are $5 regular price, but we have an awesome high value dollar off digital coupon. We're going to grab us some Tide laundry detergent, $4.95. We're going to use our $2 off one digital coupon. We're going to get the 34 count Gain dryer sheets. Those are $2. We have a dollar off digital coupon. We're going to grab 2 of those baby head and shoulders, 3 ounce. You can find those in the travel section. They are $2 a piece. We're going to use that $3 off 2 digital coupon. We can never have enough toothbrushes. I mean, we always have all this toothpaste. You might as well get you some toothbrushes now. So $3. We're going to use our $2 digital for the double pack. We're going to get us some trash bags, the Glad trash bags, for $6.50 on sale this week. Use our $2 digital coupon. So that's going to give us a total of $16 in coupons when we also factor in that 5 off of 25. After all of those coupons are applied, y'all, we're going to get all of these items for under $10. We're going to be out the door for $9.45. So all right, you guys, that is all of my scenarios. Please remember to check down below for a written breakdown with all of these deals so you can screenshot it or print it out and take it with you to make your shopping easier. If this video was helpful to you, I hope that you have hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you don't miss any of this money saving activity. And again, I will be doing an in-store video tomorrow, and I think I'm going to be doing a pretty good giveaway in that video, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. As always, I thank you so much for joining me, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.